Hi guys, I want to thank you for taking on this course. I want to assure you that you are gonna get the full package, everything I said at the beginning of this course. But one thing I want to do for you, one thing I want you to do for me is to do away with everything that will cause distraction, everything that will separate your attention from this course. Because when you are distracted from this course, if you are watching me, only watching me, and you are not listening to what I'm saying, you are not implementing what I'm saying, it's not gonna give you any result. For the best thing the best thing for you to do for yourself and to do for me, because if you succeed is part of if you succeed, that is one of my joy, because that was the purpose of creating this course. So do away with everything that will cause distraction. Grab your notepad, grab your biro, grab your jotter, so that you can jot some things down as we go forward. Meanwhile, my name is Samuel. I'm the founder of Sammy Bliss Media, the best advertising and marketing firm for people, for startup e-commerce brand and companies that want to grow their awareness, companies that are going to go get more customers, get more leads. Okay, so please, I want you to take your time to go through this course one after another. And if you don't understand anything that is said on this course, please, you can see any of my social media handle. You can hit me up on any social media handle, or even on WhatsApp. You can reach out to me on WhatsApp and ask me any question that you have. Okay,